Hello children, hello mums and dads, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an art project which involves a little bit of science. And one of our most famous scientists was Sir Isaac Newton. You may have read about him at school. He was a scientist, a mathematician and an astronomer. He was born on the 4th of January 1643 in Woolsthorpe, England. He died on the 3rd of March 1727, aged 84, which is quite an old age for then, and he's now buried in Westminster Abbey. Now, legend has it that Newton got his inspiration from gravity when he saw an apple fall from a tree on his farm. He also discovered and invented the reflecting telescope, and he also discovered that white light is really a mixture of colours. He found that if you mix the colours of the colour spectrum, he got white light. So, as an experiment, we're going to prove this theory today by making what is called a Newton's disc. Now, what you'll need to start you off is some cardboard or card, as long as it's got a little bit of stiffness to it. And on your white card, you want to draw roughly a 6-inch circle. Now we're going to have to divide this 6-inch circle into 7 pieces, into 7 sections, which isn't easy because it's an odd number. So once you've drawn your circle, I'm going to help you do the 7 segments. So, on my paper, when you've drawn your 6-inch circle, find the middle and put a dot. Now, imagine this is the face of a clock. You want one line going up to the 12, one at about 2 o'clock, one at about 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, just gone 6:30. So we've got 1, 2, 3. No, you will need a rubber because it isn't easy. Okay, it just takes a little bit of thought. That bit's a bit too big, so I'm going to move that one over a little bit. Now, they don't have to be equal sizes, but more or less, okay? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 segments on your circle. Now, what you do then, you need 7 colours for your 7 sections. And you have to colour your sections in order of colour. So the first colour is red. If you make a little note so you know that one's red, the next one will be orange, so make a little orange mark in the next one. The next one is yellow, then green, blue, indigo, which is a very dark blue. Now if you don't have indigo colour, use the darkest blue you can find, and violet. Now if you have Sharpies, they work really well for this project, but if you don't, try colour pencils and colour as deep as you can go. So I've prepared the disc that I've done. So you've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Now when you've coloured in your wheel, cut it out so it's like that, okay? Now, when you're ready to, because this is a spinning top, okay? What you need is an old reel of cotton, if you have one at home. Make a little hole in the middle of your colour wheel and put your pencil through it. Then you want to put your pencil through the cotton reel, okay? What I suggest you do is get a little bit of blue tack just to make sure that your pencil stays in place, okay? So you want your pencil going through the card, your colour wheel, then into the reel with a little bit of blue tack, and if you see at the bottom, just a bit of the pencil is sticking out from the bottom. Now, Isaac Newton said that when these colours are mixed, they will turn the whole thing white. So we're going to try that now. So what we do is, you put the whole thing onto a flat surface and spin as fast as you can. There, like that. Now it won't be pure white, and the reason being is because your colours won't be exactly the same colours as they are in the colour spectrum. So what you'll probably find is probably more grey or silver. But it does prove Isaac Newton's theory that colours, when they're blended, make white. I'm going to do that again for you. No laughing. Let's try it again. That's it. It's an experiment with science and art, and it's called the Newton's disc, proving that mixed colours make white. If you can make it stand up properly.
There we go.
And what I suggest is, your card, stick that to the top of the blue tack as well. It keeps it all nice and steady. I'm going to show you once again how this looks. Look at that. And there you go. There you have it.